side Ziri Umrane. Chance for a cross. And it comes into a dangerous area. And we have the opening goal. It's that man, Pedro Manzi. Etched his
first touch was very brilliant over there. Puts the ball. Nobody really attacking the ball. The goalkeeper comes out. Ball keeps between the three purple t-shirts and then bangs it in to the goal.
Looking for options. It does arrive inside. Nijo Gilbert goes on his own. And now it's delivered into a great area. Recovery in the end. A lofted pass, measured well. His gathering pace, shrugs off his marker, tries to
outsmarts him outside the box. Will you call it a penalty?
Now the youngster once more on the overlap. Almost split opens their defense. The goalkeeper getting a touch, not enough. The shot comes in. And in the end,
side and look at the pass. The goalkeeper had all the time in the world to really communicate with the defender because there was nobody there.
Aitar playing it short towards Beitia, who floats it inside the penalty area. Manzi peels his man and brings it down into a great area. Excellent combination play. And Malappuram FC dubs Nur Rahman this time, getting onto the score sheet.
No hurry there. What a fantastic variation in that free fence. Look at the run of Manzi. Just comes out, puts a header, and Fazlur stretches on his leg to get that ball, a piece of the ball, really from his extended feet to get inside the goal.
The goal scorer cross down the right. Lack of elevation. Pedro Manzi trying to pop in that position. He is usually a very versatile attacker. And meanwhile, here comes the free kick towards the far post, and chance opens up for Fosako.
This is what we want the defenders to come out and look at that. A header coming into goalwards. Goalkeeper makes a mess out of it, and a clear chance there. The full frame.
And Arjun Jairaj. Here comes Rafael Augusto. That's a great ball to the left of goal. He cuts inside, waiting for option.
Got that defense splitting pass, and then you lose out of ideas. No purple shirts inside the box where he could really aim for.
Joseba Beitia just floats around like a pendulum from the left to the right. And now Aitar getting the better of his marker.
The technique is keep yourself between the ball and the defender, and then brought down very easy.
Back to Bujair. Onto his weak left side, gets enough elevation. Nidhal. He goes for the cross and touched on by Ru. They quickly capitalize onto the second ball, and now the door opens up for a cross, and it comes into a good looking area. And he give this fans something to cheer about from this corner. Outswing.